Well, hello there, and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to sync Google Calendar within Clickup. Let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Clickup using your provided password and username. Now, you'll agree with me, sometime you're using Google Calendar to schedule your meetings, and you'll just want to integrate that into Clickup to make everything else simple. To make that possible, you'll navigate into your setting area within your ClickUp, and in the workspace setting area, if you scroll on the left section under the setting, we have people, we have ClickUp, and then I have my account, I have my apps option. Now let's get into calendar, and this is one of the easiest ways of integrating calendar. And I need to add Google Calendar, so I'll click on add Google Calendar, and it will tell me, do you want to sync tasks to Google or you want to sync events to ClickUp? So what I want to do is to sync tasks to Google. There's one approach. You can also decide to sync events to ClickUp. So you enter on Google, shows up on ClickUp. So I want to do the vice versa. I'll click on next, and I'll select Google account. I have one, so I'll create. And from a list of my Google accounts, I'll log in using one that is existing. So I'll just pick one test account that I already have. I'll then enter my username and password in case I haven't logged in. I'll click on allow, and voila, the account is the one that has been selected. I'll then select a calendar within the account. So if I have multiple accounts, they'll show up in here. But since I have one, I'll just select that as my account. I'll also select the location of which I want to sync. I don't want to sync everything that happens in ClickUp. I just want to sync things that happen within my project management. And I need tasks that are only assigned to me, or I can select all the tasks that are available. I'll select all tasks for this demonstration, and then I'll click on next. Voila! My ClickUp has been synced with my Google Calendar. Now to see this in action, I'll navigate back into my tasks. So I'll navigate into the uploads folder within my project management space, and I'll want to assign this to myself. And then I'll set a due date to, let's say, between 5th, let's say 5th, and I'll put the priority to be extremely high. I'll also create a new task within the progress and say events, and I'll say it's in progress. Navigate to that and select the event is assigned to me, Lance, as the user, and possibly set the due date to 6th or 7th. And I'll close that. Whenever I navigate into my calendar, I'll find that the new or the task that I am trying to manipulate on ClickUp will show up on my calendar. And I'll just switch that, and you can tell I have uploads, and I also have the shoots option within my calendar for the 6th and the 7th. And if I click on either of them, you can tell it's in project management, video production, which was created now, and also have the shoot that has been created now within the ClickUp. It takes a few minutes to sync between ClickUp and Google Calendar, so be patient with that, and that will work for you. Well, that is how we work with Google Calendars within ClickUp. See you in the next nugget.